Hey guys, it's Ronnie, your credit coach with another weekly tip. But this week, I'm doing a recap on episode 104 regarding that client, Gabriela, who we ordered a trade line. Go to the phone call.
Hi.
Hello, Isabel. Hi, it's Rolando. How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing well. Yourself?
I'm great. Thank you.
Hey, really quick here. I want to go ahead and relate the bad news regarding Gabriela.
Yes.
So the trade line did post, but your client has a late payment on her car in December.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we got to keep in mind the payment history is 35% of the credit score, so it's the most important factor in whether scores go up or down. No matter how many trade lines I add, a late payment, especially a recent one, is not going to help the credit score. So as you can see, we added a Barclays card, 5,000, open for 5 years, but that late payment dropped the score. Have you spoken to Gabriela to see if that's accurate or why was she late?
No, I haven't. I was kind of waiting to hear from you first, and then what I'll do now is call her there.
Yes, please call her, find out if that's inaccurate, then we should be able to fix it. But if that is accurate, I don't know if there's anything that we can do to remove that late payment, given the time that we have.
Okay, perfect. Yes, thank you so much for giving me a call and obviously going over this with me.
Not a problem, Gabriela. Any questions, I'm here to help. But somehow, some way, we'll be able to help her because the trade line just stay on the credit report for quite some time. It's going to be a matter of taking care of the other account that we have to settle and figure out a way to increase this credit score as soon as possible. Okay? So we'll be in touch. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Like what you show you guys, you cannot be late on any type of account, especially when trying to improve your credit. We added a trade line. We had to settle some accounts. That did not work because a 30-day late payment is 35% of your credit score. It's the heart. No matter what we do, the FICO scores will not improve. Now, is there going to be a part 3 video in regards to seeing how we can remove the late payments? Maybe, maybe not. But the moral of the story is when trying to prepare your credit, avoid anything that's going to make you move backwards. The goal is to add credit, settle some accounts to move forward in increasing the credit score. So I hope you guys understand the value of being on time and paying attention to the little details that would help improve your credit. See you guys soon.